Hello, welcome back to Easy Wonders. See this beautiful design. I am going to show you how this code is executing. Then I will explain the code. Okay. By clicking here, this Python turtle graphic window will close. Okay. Then again I am executing this one in command prompt. See how it is executing. There are drawing 7 squares, then shifting 60 degree, then again drawing 7 squares, again shifting, like that it completes a hexagon. Then it shifts to another location and starts drawing another hexagon with squares, then again another hexagon and again another hexagon, like that. Here the squares, we used 7 colors of rainbow. Each squares are drawn one after another. Okay. Also, after completing each hexagon, it is shifting to another location by pen upping, then again pen down and draw the next hexagon, like that. Okay, the design is complete. Now I will explain the code. Okay, this is the code behind it. Actually, the similar code I explained earlier in rainbow hexagon as its title. Okay. Okay, this code import turtle as t. We are importing turtle as t. In the coming lines, we will call turtle by using t only. Instead of turtle, we use t. T dot speed 0. The speed we set as 0. The speed of turtle movement. Okay. T dot pen size 4. The thickness of these lines we set as 4. Then I defined a function. This function is used for drawing a polygon. Polygons of sides 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Any size we can give. Any number of sides. If we are giving sides as 3, then it will draw a triangle. If we give 4, then it draw a square. If we give 5, then pentagon, like that. Also size, one argument is size, that is the size of a side that is given there. Okay, while calling this function we will give size and sides in bracket. Okay, for drawing this one we are using a for loop in range sides. If triangle, this for loop works for 3 times. If rectangle, it works for 4 times. If pentagon, works for 5 times, like that. Here we are drawing squares, so we need to draw 4 times. It read 4 times, that is sides, it will be 4. Then t dot forward size. This size will forward first, then shift left 360 by sides. That is, if 4 sides, then it will be 90 degree. 90 degree shift left. Then by doing this 4 times, we will get a square. Okay. Okay. Here is actually the drawing starts. T dot right 90. These 4 lines from 9 to 13. 5 lines I have given for shifting the starting of this turtle drawing somewhat down in this window. Then only we can complete the entire picture inside this window. For that, from here I shifted starting of this drawing to here. Actually it will start somewhere like here, but I shifted to here. For that, actually that 5 lines using. Okay, that is T right 90 degree right, then pen up. Without drawing, we need to forward 120 units down here, and again pen down and turtle left 90 degree. It turn left and stand in this direction. Okay, then our drawing starts. Here we are using 3 for loops. J in range 12, that is this for loop is used to draw this 12 hexagons. Okay, for I in range 6, that is 6 times. That is you can see 1 side, 2 side, 3 side, 4 side, 5 side, 6 side. This each drawing is form a hexagon. So we need 6 iterations. That is why range we set as 6. Then for colors in range violet, indigo, blue, etc. 7 colors of rainbow. So in this for loop, which chooses each color one by one, that is T dot color colors. By choosing color, first it select violet, then indigo, then blue, like that. After selecting the color, it calls the function defined above, that is shape 24. That is one side of this square we set as 20 units, and number of sides, that is you can see in this function sides, that we called as 4. Then it will draw a rectangle or square. Okay, it calls and draw a violet square. Then T forward 10, just it moves. After drawing a violet square, it moves just 10 units. Then draw, you can see a 10 unit shift with each of these squares. Okay, that is done by using this T dot forward 10. Okay, after drawing a violet square, it draws next indigo square, blue square, like total 7 squares. Then after completing this all 7 squares, it T right 60 degree turns right. Then turns right, and another 6 squares are drawn. Just here you can see first 7 squares we drawn here, then shift turn right 60 degree, and another set of 7 squares we are drawing. Okay, for that T dot right 60 is used. Then after completing that one, this entire picture, next T dot left 30, then it shift left 30 degree and pen up, then forward 80, that is pen is upping and forwarding 80 degree without drawing any line, forwarding it to another position, and then pen down. After pen down, it goes to the first for loop and it start the next second iteration of the first for loop. Then after drawing this first one, it draws the second one like this. Okay, then the third one, then fourth one, like that. Okay, then it do for 12 times, then the entire picture will be finished. Okay, then the last line, exit on click, this is always using for exiting that picture window, Python title graphic window. By clicking on that, actually now the picture closed. Like that we can close that picture by clicking on that. For that, the 26th line used. Okay, anyway, I think the code is clear for you. If you have doubts, you can ask below this video. And thanks for watching. See you next time.